Hello, I'm Timothy and I'm going to show you how to include videos in your lesson up slides. So as you can see, we've got a lesson in front of us. We've got this nice picture here. I say nice picture, but it's actually a terribly polluted sea. But what we can do is go up here to video, and then we paste in a video here. Go. I'm going to put a lesson up video in because that makes sense. I can take out this original image here, take out this, I can take this out, want to as well. There we go. So obviously you can put any video you like in here. This is the smallest it can go. You can make it bigger, too big if you want to as well, but there you go. You can have it like that size. Let's keep it on that kind of tiny size there. You can play the video. There it is running. We can alter the sound.
Kids and education.
There we go. So I'll just turn that off because it's going to clash a bit. Anyway. So you have the video running. You can run it in the lesson like that as well. So if we just run the lesson there, ignore the code because I'm not running it like that. There we go. So we can advance through the slide, then it all appears here, and we can hit play, and then we've got our video running, which is really nice. There you go, and then the overlay disappears as well. So that's really nifty. What you can also do, you might have noticed this as well, click on the video, you can actually get the video to start, you can actually have it start at any point you want. So you can have it, if it's long enough to be an hour, it could be, but we can actually have it as, we can say from here, we can go, put the video on. I find this is the easiest way to do it. We can go from here, and then we can say start from current position. So that's the easiest way to do it. Likewise, you can end the video, press play, we can put the video down here, we can end the video at that position. So then when we actually play the lesson again, there we go, again ignore the code, but we can then play the video and it's going to jump. See, whoa, look at that, it's jumped to the point that we want it to. So that is incredibly useful, and I'll show you another thing you can do with that as well. Also the text would appear as well. Okay, you can do that. So you could in theory set up a video where you've got text appearing at certain times, but anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself because I want to show you the next thing. Another way you can add videos in is to add slide. If we go to informative, just to filter it, just to make it slightly easier for ourselves, full screen video, in that goes. We can then click on that, add video, we got that there. Then we can paste that in or paste the same video in, it appears. Now it's a full screen one, and we can do the same thing of modifying where we want to start that video if we want to. We can start it there. I've got the sound off still, there you go, keep the sound off, and we'll say, look, we'll go here again, current position if we want to do that, then play, we can do, we want to end it here, and current position there, so we can end that. Again, we can then teach the lesson, start up again, ignore the code, here it goes, and the video will jump to the point that we want. And it'll just play, it's just going to play this section that we selected earlier on. I'm not going to play it all the way through now, but you can see the power of that. The thing you can do as well is you can set those stop points for the video. You could duplicate the video slide, and you can actually put interactive questions, interactive slides, interactive functions in between certain moments of the video. So say you've put on the first 30 seconds, it stops, then you've got a multiple choice question. You put another 30 seconds on, then you've got a sorting question, another 30 seconds, a word cloud. So you can actually make videos completely interactive. This is one of the first things that attracted me to using LessonUp in the classroom, was that I was putting videos on and I'd have a conversation with the same two students every time. But with this, I can get every student involved and I can really make the most of a video. You can also take them from Vimeo or Vimeo, I never know how to pronounce it. You can take those as well if you want to put them on there. So really versatile, really clever function. Two main ways to use it with added nuance. So I look forward to seeing what you can do with it. Give it a try, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye.